Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your components organized. First, ensure that your Dyson V11 is completely powered off. Disconnect it from the charger and remove the dust bin from the vacuum. To do this, simply press the release button located near the handle. Now, let's focus on the dustbin lid. Examine the lid for any visible screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws that hold the lid in place. There are typically 3 screws located at the top and sides of the lid. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the dustbin lid away from the dustbin. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. Next, inspect the sealing ring and the interior of the dustbin for any debris or dust buildup. This is a crucial step, as a clean surface ensures a proper seal when you install the new lid. Use a damp cloth to wipe the interior, ensuring that no dust particles remain. Now, it's time to install the new dustbin lid. Align the lid with the dustbin, making sure the holes for the screws are correctly positioned. Press down gently to ensure a snug fit. If you find the lid doesn't align perfectly, double-check that there are no obstructions inside the bin. With the lid in place, take your Phillips head screwdriver and reinsert the screws. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. At this stage, you may want to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation if you feel unsure about the installation. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient to get your Dyson serviced. After securing the screws, take your flathead screwdriver to ensure that the sealing ring is properly seated around the edge of the lid. This helps to prevent any dust or debris from escaping during use. Finally, reattach the dust bin to your Dyson V11. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely attached. If you're concerned about the longevity of your Dyson or if you notice any other issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quotes before repair, and you can avoid the hassle of calls or travel by using our services. Once everything is in place, power on your Dyson V11 and check to see if the new lid works correctly. Test it by running the vacuum for a few minutes and inspecting for any leaks around the lid. If everything looks good, you're all set. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.